video.
Video. It's my ex-wife up there. She's still alright. Ain't you right? Mm-hmm.
Be nice to draw this place.
What's up, people? We're gonna be going to work on the perp machine today. We're going to get some bagels. I'm gonna fucking no door here. Can't open the door. There's no door. There's that right here. Got spices in there. Yo, what is going on, everybody? Cutter Payne back with another video, and Papa Payne. And today we are going to be doing some of the wiring stuff, but for the E36. Remember, if you watched the last video, some of the wiring harness caught on fire, as you guys know. It happens. Right now we're on the way to get some breakfast. I have a new addition to the garage tool chest that's like, I can move around, which I very much need. We're actually at Napa because we have to get these stuff for the electrical stuff first.
Degrees. We're gonna have tape.
We need some of this.
Yes, that's exactly what we need.
Zip ties?
Do we need zip ties? Always need zip ties.
1843, guys.
There goes the Amazon man. My package should be there. Battle of the deliverers. There's the little tool chest Pro Series. It's now time to build this tool chest. We are now starting the wiring process and all that type of stuff.
Surprised you didn't catch a neighborhood on fire.
Surprised the car didn't catch.
Guess where we're going?
Napa.
Why are we going to Napa? Because you ain't got shit for tools.
I don't have wire dikes. I mean,
We do well, that's where we're going.
we're gonna add to the arsenal. I now am an owner of wire dikes.
Goddamn specialty tools that separate canoe valves, but he doesn't have wire dikes. Crispy dog dicks down there for sure. You ever wondered why the Statue of Liberty is green? Same reason this is green.
Oxidation.
Holy hell. You did, it's just the one wire, but
It ended up burning other ones.
Well, these are still in contact, so what you have to do, you're gonna have to put a little duct or a little electrical tape on each hot spot that seems like it's kind of burnt through. I already cut out the wiring, and then we'll go from there.
It's in Georgia. I have some very exciting news. I found my old car on an insurance auction, and one of my dad's friends has a license, and we're gonna try to get it for a parts car for this one. So potentially the silver car is coming back, and you guys can see actually what happened to the rear of it. See? Hashtag thanks Jeep Mom. Don't text when you drive, people. And a little update, I got the wiring situated. I put the electrical tape over the things that were burned, and I snipped the zip ties. But I mean, it'd be really cool to get that my old car back as a parts car, I think. Because this one's a 98 and that one's a 97. They have the exact same engine, so that'd be pretty sick, man. And the silver car will be back on the channel for a little, well, not driving at least, but it will still be back on. So that'd be really cool, yeah. I don't know if it's gonna happen or not, but it would be really cool if it did. All right, and that's gonna be it for at least right now. So my plan is, let's say we get that parts car, my old E36. This video is gonna be same with that. And so in this video, you're gonna see me fixing this, and hopefully, if we get the parts car tomorrow, you will also see us.
AKA the old car.
The silver car, which I showed him. I showed him the listing and everything.
In many ways, is a shit ton better than this one.
In many ways, the silver one is a nicer example. But the nice thing is, we can put all the things from the silver car on this because this body is better and it's sexy. So if you see this video without the parts car, it's just we didn't get it then. But if this video,
it looks really good. I got a buddy he's in with that stuff, so we should get it.
Oh my gosh, I used it for 5 minutes when I picked up groceries. I don't wear it.
Oh, you got a little wire thing.
Yes, it's nice. Do not film me. I look like shit. You cannot film me. Carter, you gotta cut that.
I don't know how this fits.
Have you seen the meme where it's like using a thong as a face mask?
Oh, you could.
well, I got some bad news, guys. unfortunately, we didn't win the old E36 back. It sold for $11.50, and our max bid was like $10.50. So it was just too much, and so now we're going to a pull apart and trying to find some parts for the E36 just to see if we can get anything for the purple car. And we're looking for like some like interior pieces and some of like that type of related stuff, and also the emissions device so we can get the thing registered and I can actually drive it. So very exciting stuff, guys, and I'll update you guys once we get to the pull apart yard. Well, we were actually at the yard, and you can see, but this is a 389, so it's not actually the one we were looking for. So more bad news, but it's still super cool. This yard's pretty amazing. So we are actually at the lake, guys. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we had to take a break from all the cars and all the bad news and everything. So we're just out here enjoying the lake. For you guys that don't know, we actually have a boat. It's a 34-foot Chris Craft. Well, it turns out the day got worse. Yeah, as you guys know, we were on the lake, and sure enough, one of the engines went out. See, this boat has 2 engines, and one of them's broken, so it's like really hard to drive.
It's just that it's out of gas or something.
It's like something little, but it's a boat, so it always has issues. See, just hear it crank. That's all she does. All right, though, we're gonna fix it, and then we'll be back.
Flux capacitor. Now look, son, let me show you something.
Do you guys like these vlog type videos?
A little fun.
If you like them, let me know.
Here's the thing. You ain't getting no fucking subscribers the other way, so you might as well try.
Yeah, you know what's funny? I was looking at my analytic. 96% of people watching me aren't subscribed.
This is gonna suck. It's not running.
You guys know what that is? You guys know that it's super gross.
They call the paramedics, okay?
And that it's so gross, dude. I'm not gonna tell you guys. I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is. But the search up, pump out. Well, we ended up getting her up and running. It's not like a particular thing was broken. We just put in some starting fluid in there and then cleaned the carburetor a little bit, and then it started right up. So it's just still running fine. All right, guys. I think that was a pretty good way to end a pretty crappy day. But I hope you guys enjoyed like the more vlog type styles. I promise I will get the first drive for the purple car out relatively soon. But either way, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Carter Payne, checking out. Dad, is there anything you'd like to say?
Oh man, no. More to come. Great day. You missed some other stuff, but you know, we're making our way here.
It is
Good
what
day.
it is. Bye bye, everybody. See you guys in the next video.